It's a short video of mayonnaise manufacturing process done in MAX-100 vacuum homogenization mixer machine in Wuxi MAXWELL factory. Maxwell has developed a mayonnaise making machinery for the ready-to-use market, R&D and pilot production. The unit is capable of carrying out the entire mayonnaise production process, including rapid preparation of premixes, hydration of thickening and stabilizing agents and preparation of the final oil in water emulsion. Operation is as follows: water is circulated from the manufacturing vessel by the specially designed inline mixer. The egg, either powder or liquid, is added to the vessel and in the case of powder, is rapidly wetted out and dispersed into the high-velocity liquid stream. The remaining aqueous phase ingredients are then added to the vessel or via the powder feed hopper depending on batch size and powder characteristics. Mixing continues until the ingredients are fully dispersed and hydrated. The oil is added to the hopper. When the valve is opened, it is drawn into the aqueous phase at a controlled rate. The aqueous and oil phase ingredients then pass directly into the work head of the high shear mixer where they are subjected to intense high shear. This finally disperses the oil into the aqueous phase, immediately forming an emulsion. The vinegar and lemon juice is added together with the last of the oil. Recirculation of the product continues to ensure a uniform consistency as the viscosity rises. After a short recirculation period, the mayonnaise manufacturing process is completed and the finished product is discharged. The advantages of Maxwell mayonnaise manufacturing equipment: 1. Ideal for small batches that are intended for immediate use. 2. Aeration is minimized. 3. The system practically eliminates operator error. 4. Offers the batch-to-batch consistency and stability of mayonnaise manufactured in turnkey plant without the high capital expenditure. 5. Yield of raw materials is maximized, as thickening agents are fully hydrated and other ingredients are correctly dispersed. Material and hygiene: mayonnaise making machines are typically constructed from stainless steel, which is easy to clean and maintain, ensuring the highest hygiene standards are met. Versatility: some machines are versatile and can be used to produce various types of sauces and dressings in addition to mayonnaise. Maintenance and cleaning: the design of the machine should allow for easy disassembly and cleaning to maintain food safety and product quality.